Welcome back to Bad Attitude C10. Today you will be introduced to one of our competitors in our Fast Truck Matters competition, and it is Dave Basser with his truck Stitch.
Alright, Stitch is a 1993 first gen S10. It has a Thompson Motorsports 427 with a ProCharger F1A 94. It's got Frankenstein F7 heads. We built the truck to do Rocky Mountain Race Week, and so it currently has a gear vendor's overdrive with a 2-speed power glide. This is a good little walk around of the truck here. Of course, it's got 2 Nitro systems on it. It's got a interspooler and a direct port.
So there you have it, guys. Please like and subscribe.